What's good, YouTube? Well, anybody that knows about mopeds or something, got a quick question. See, I got a taotao 50cc, but the only problem is, for some reason it's making a noise like it don't want to start. Like, noise is like, hold on. Like it's trying to start, but it's not really catching, so thinking it's probably the spark plug. Because everything else getting energy, so I know it can't be the battery because, well, it comes up with me because the signal lights work. Both of them, it just won't start. Got gas in it, but still ain't working. So, if you have any information that you can help me solve this problem, I really gladly appreciate it. And that's all. Hope to hear from anybody.